Greetings, fans. Welcome to Cooking with a Side of Snide. I'm Lisa, your hostess, and I have my cute sous chef elf today, Jose, helping me. Today, we're going to make pork sausages, Italian sausages, okay?
All right.
So, we have the KitchenAid mixer here with the great meat grinding attachment that we have. So our mise en place today is pork shoulder. If you would like to hear my dissertation about pork shoulder versus pork butt, you'll have to watch my meatball video. The hog casings, which is what you stuff the sausage into. Then we have our spices, which is salt and pepper, fennel seed, very, very essential, garlic powder, sweet paprika, and we're going to put some hot pepper in. They're going to be sort of semi-hot. They're not going to be super hot, but sort of semi-hot. And then some white wine, even though the recipe says red wine. We don't have any, so it's going to be white. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start grinding all of this pork shoulder in the grinder. Okay, so shall we start?
Let's start. Okay. So
All right, so here we go. Now, how do you want to do this? Want me to put that there?
Put them in here, yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll...
And then Jose's going to start grinding.
Okay, so we're going to put a couple of gloves on.
Oh, he's going to wear gloves because raw meat. Okay, and let's see. I guess we're just ready to go here.
Okay.
So now we're really ready to start grinding the meat.
Right, so...
Here we go. We turn on the grinder.
Okay.
Turn the machine on.
Oh,
Yeah, put it all the way up on high.
okay.
And then you just stuff the meat up through the top and it comes out just like in the meatball video. Woohoo! All right, and you only have to grind it through once on the coarse grinder, according to the recipe. Whoops. And when it's all ground up, we will come back on camera and show you how we mix it all together. All right? All right, so we'll see you in a little bit. And we're back. All of the meat is ground. Isn't that beautiful? That's about 3 pounds, a little more than 3 pounds of pork. And the next step is just to put in all of the spices. So, and Jose's got gloves on already, so he's going to do the mixing. Salt and pepper. Fennel seeds, which are supposed to be crushed but aren't. That doesn't matter. Garlic powder. Hot pepper. And paprika, sweet paprika. Okay, baby, mix away.
All right.
Mix your life away, baby. Put this a little more
Can you
paprika there.
pull up my sleeves?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Sorry. Forgot about that.
It's a two-man job here. There we go. Is that good?
Okay.
All right, so mixy.
All right.
So you basically just mix that all up until it's well distributed. So I'm letting Jose do that. Ooh, it's going to be good.
Yeah.
Bam. Oh,
Again.
yep, got your sleeves again. Yeah, I'm going to do this. There we go. Yeah.
Thanks. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Great.
That's what I'm here for.
All right.
All right,
I think it's mixed.
You think it's pretty well mixed?
Pretty well mixed, yeah. Yeah.
And then, then we put it's a half a cup of white wine. Put that in. That's probably too much, but whatever. It's wine.
I don't think so.
And then you just keep on mixing it up until it just gets all smooshy gooshy together. And then we are going to cook a little piece of it to make sure that it's got the right amount of spice in it. And then the fun part is putting it through the hog casing. So we will be back shortly with all of that. See you soon. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, so what we have done is we've taken a little patty and we've cooked it because we want to make sure the spice is right. You cannot test raw pork. It's probably the only piece of advice on this show that is real. And so I'm cutting it in half, letting Jose have the first bite here.
Yum.
And let's see if we did okay on the spices.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, we did.
Mmm.
Damn.
This is super.
It's really, really good.
Yum.
So we're going to take a little break now, come back and show you how we're going to thread it through the machine and get it into the hog casing.
Yum, 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 yum.
That is really good. Yum! Bye. And we're back. Time to make sausage. All right, so we've changed out the grinder attachment for this great tube attachment. And for me, this is the most hilarious part of the whole process. I have to thread the hog casing onto the tube, and you will soon see why I think it's hilarious. So I've put a little bit of cooking spray on there as a lubricant. And you just have to, you know, manipulate it until it goes on. This is a very long hog casing. So I will not make you suffer through watching me do this sort of obscene thing. And when it's threaded on there, we will start running this stuff into the machine. It will come into the hog casing and we will be making sausage. See you soon. Okay, the casing is threaded on and it's time to start. So we turn the machine on. We start running the ground meat through here. And you can see it's coming out here as a little bit of sausage. Jose's going to be in charge of that part of it. I'm just going to stuff. And oh, it's coming out, yay!
Yep.
We got sausage.
There
Look
we
at
go.
that, that's beautiful.
How nice it looks.
Beautiful. Unbelievable.
There you go.
All right, so I'm just going to keep going here. We have a lot of meat and a lot of casing, so we're going to get probably a lot of sausage. So this process goes on and on and on and on because we have so much material to work with. So we're just going to get started here. Show you how that looks. That is a beautiful sausage.
Yep.
Very nice. And I'll do a little bit more. And then we'll just finish it all up and show you the finished product in a few minutes. Takes forever, actually. And here we go.
All right.
All right. All right, so we're going to finish it up off camera, and when it's done, we'll show it to you. All right. See you soon. All right, so our first bit of sausage is done. Isn't that beautiful? God, it really is. Oops, I just got sausage on my shoulder. Great. So what we have to do now is you have to tie off the end here, which Jose will do expertly. Whoops, maybe
Yeah.
not so expertly. I don't know, do you have enough casing? Yeah,
I
you
do.
do.
It's just a
little slippery because I had lubricant on there.
So
All right, so beautiful. So it's tied at
It's
each
tied
end, and then what we'll do is we'll twist it off into smaller pieces. Jose will show you
Whatever
how that's
size
done.
you
Whatever
want.
size you want.
It could be this size if
Yeah,
you want, like that.
I mean, you want more sausages.
And you
if
just twist it
twist it, and
enough,
then you.
and you make it
then you
different
make
sizes,
sausages.
like that.
All right, beautiful. All right, excellent. So as you can see, we have a lot of sausage here. The way Jose made them, it turned out to be 19 individual sausages. That's
Medium
about
size.
a little bit more than 3 pounds of meat. So, and it's actually not hard at all. You just have to have the right equipment. So we had enough meat left inside the machine to make a little patty. And we're gonna eat that.
burger.
Like a little burger. We're gonna have that as a little snack right now. So I hope you have
And
enjoyed
we'll
this.
freeze these. And
Yeah, we're gonna freeze them and then we'll just use them, as we go.
Right.
And so I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's really pretty easy to make sausage. And buen provecho. Thanks for watching.
Ciao.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.